If you don't like complicated software but still want amazing designs, then Canva is your new best friend. First, head over to canva.com and sign up. It's free and super easy. Once you're in, click on the Create a Design button. Now, choose your template, anything from Instagram posts to flyers. Next, let's add some pizzazz. Click on the Elements tab to explore shapes, lines, and stickers. Drag and drop whatever you like onto your canvas. Need some text? Hit the Text tab, select a style, and start typing. Easy, right? Now for the fun part, colors. Click on any element or text, then hit the color box to pick your favorite shades. Feeling adventurous? Try the Background tab for cool patterns and images. Finally, don't forget to save and download your masterpiece. Just hit the download button at the top. Voila! You've just created a stunning design in no time, and there you have it. Simple, quick, and totally fun. Happy design.